Let's replace the cooling coil on this 1997 Toyota Corolla. If you're experiencing weak AC performance or noticing a musty smell, it could be time to replace this part of your AC system. Let's dive into it. The first step is to remove the glove compartment to gain access to the evaporator. No need to remove the whole dashboard on this one. Remove the bolts securing the housing in place. You'll need to disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the evaporator. Be sure to disconnect these carefully to avoid damaging the wiring. Disconnect the refrigerant lines from the outside of the firewall. These lines connect the evaporator to the rest of the AC system. Once everything is free, we can move on to removing the evaporator unit from the cabin. To remove the cooling coil, just take off the clips and a few screws to open up the evaporator. This one's really dirty. Looks like it hasn't been serviced in a while. Let's test this cooling coil for leaks. To do this, we'll seal up the ports and pump it with air. You can pump it up to 150 psi. This is a safe level for testing. Submerging this in water will reveal if we have any. Looks like we've got 2 leaks. We have to remove the expansion valve so we can connect it to the new cooling coil. Before we install the new cooling coil, we need to perform a leak test. Just like with the old one, we'll seal the ports and pump it with air to check for leaks. Now that the new cooling coil is leak tested and ready to go, let's place it back into the evaporator housing. Carefully align it and secure it in place, making sure the connections line up properly. Slide the evaporator unit back into the cabin, making sure it fits securely. Once it's in place, reconnect the refrigerant lines, ensuring the seals are tight and connections are properly fitted. Once everything is connected, it's a good idea to test for any leaks. We'll use soapy water to spray all over the connections, checking for bubbles. If you see any, it's a sign that we need to tighten the fittings or replace a seal.